Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Iyana. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and demoing Maui Moisture collection. I'm going to be reviewing the shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, and curl milk and curl smoothie. So these are my end results I got. I've been outside, so it's like a little more frizzier than me freshly taking the twist out. So my hair is like really shrunken, but that's okay. I'm still gonna rock it. Still cute. But if you want to find out my whole thoughts on the Maui Moisture product, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm just finger detangling my hair because it's been in a bun for like 2 weeks. So I'm just getting some of the shed hair out. My hair looks a really hot mess. But the products I'm going to be using today is a brand that was requested, is Maui Moisture. A subscriber and follower, if you see this video, I heard you, don't worry, I did not forget. I just took me a while to get to it, but don't worry, I'm doing a video now for you. But she wanted me to try their Maui Moisture hair mask, and they have different lines, so I just picked this one up, the Agave I think, and it's strengthening and anti-breakage, so I'm going to be using that today. And and she also recommended me try the, I think it was the hair smoothie, quench, is that the word? Plus coconut oil curl smoothie. So that's a different brand by Maui Moisture, a different line collection in Maui Moisture, so I'm going to use that. For shampoo, I'm going to be using the Strength and Anti-Breakage Agave shampoo. You cannot tell me the packaging is really cute. And I also bought the conditioner with it, so these are part of the same line along with the what is it, the hair mask. And I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to get into reviving my dry hair. Okay guys, so I finished lightly finger detangling my hair just a little bit. Getting ready to go ahead and go in with the shampoo. If you are wondering about my regular wash day routine, I will link it in the eye and in the description so you can look at it, because I always wash my hair in twist and all that good stuff. So go watch that wash day routine and you'll find out more details in depth, okay? First thing I'm going to do is shampoo my hair. I shampoo my hair in the sink, so I'm not going to show the footage. What I usually do is I'll put some shampoo in my hand with my hair wet, then scrub my scalp, and then put it on the length of the twist, and then I'll take some extra shampoo, unravel the twist, and put the shampoo on the twist, and then I'll twist it back up with the shampoo in it, and then once I'm done doing that to my whole head, I'll rinse it out, and boom, clean hair. I was really trying to see if this was a moisturizing shampoo, because at this time of day, I don't need my hair to be even more dried out. I'm hoping this is a moisturizing shampoo because it's Maui Moisture. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back from shampooing, and I have a fresh face. I had to wash my eyebrows and stuff off because it was melting. Let's go ahead and get into conditioning. So this is the conditioner right here. It says the same thing as the shampoo, strengthening and anti-breakage plus agave conditioner for chemically damaged hair, smooth, heal, and quench, rich in agave, velvety hibiscus oil, fresh pineapple extract. And I have to mention, this stuff smells really good. It smells like the shampoo as well. It smells really pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and get conditioning. I'm a little scared using this conditioner because I got a feeling I'm gonna end up using all of it in one use, because I use a lot of conditioner on my hair. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to detangle my hair with a comb. I am very picky about what conditioners I use, because I detangle my hair with conditioner in it, so I'm very picky about what conditioner I use on my hair in order for me to detangle. And if I feel like it does not have enough slip, I'm not even gonna try. But I'm going to try and let this sit on my hair until I finish on this side, and then come back and detangle and see if that helps. But like right now, I don't feel 100% comfortable. I'm not gonna lie though, like as I put more and more on, I like how it feels, but this bottle is like not big enough for me to put more and more on my entire head. Okay, hello. Okay, it does let me detangle a little bit, but I'm still going to let it sit on my hair while I do the rest of the sections. Okay guys, so I just finished putting the conditioner all over my head. This conditioner is really nice. My hair feels really moisturized. So I'm gonna go in and try and detangle now, since I let the conditioner sit in my head. Alright guys, so I just finished detangling my whole head. Everything feels good, soft and smooth. So no bad comments about the conditioner. So yeah, I'm gonna go rinse it out, and then we're gonna go in with the Strength and Anti-Breakage Agave hair mask. So I hope this is good. Since that conditioner was good, this has to be above and beyond. As a deep treatment, after shampooing, apply a small amount to the palm and evenly distribute into damp hair from roots to ends. For optimum results, allow the steam from the shower to penetrate each strand. Leave in for 5 minutes. So interesting. It doesn't tell me to sit under the hair dryer. I'm just gonna do how I usually use a hair mask. I'm just going to put it all over my hair and put a plastic cap on and sit under the dryer. It's going on really smooth. It's really smooth going on. It felt really smooth going on, so I'm just going to twist it up and we're going to move on to the rest. And then we're going to go ahead and sit under the dryer. I might sit under the dryer for 15 minutes because usually when I do hair mask or deep conditioners, they tell me to sit under the dryer for 15 minutes. So I'm just going to not follow directions and sit under the dryer for 15 minutes. I'm done putting the deep conditioner in. It felt smooth going on and everything. I'm gonna go sit under the dryer for 15 minutes with a plastic cap on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just got done sitting under the dryer and I'm getting ready to rinse this hair mask out. My hair feels soft, so we're gonna go ahead and head on to the sink. Alright guys, so I'm done with the washing process. Everything worked fine to me on my hair, the shampoo and the conditioner and the hair mask. I have to say my favorite product out of the wash collection was the conditioner itself. I was kind of shook, and I'm very picky with what conditioners I use on my hair while I detangle, but that conditioner was A1. I just rinsed out the hair mask. My hair still feels soft, so I'm gonna let my hair stay in this t-shirt while I go to sleep because it's getting late, and I'll just style my hair and moisturize it tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright y'all, so it's the next day. I had to just put a head wrap on because I had to step out the house for a few minutes, but we're gonna go ahead and get ready to moisturize and style. I'm gonna be moisturizing my hair using the Maui Moisture Curl Quench plus coconut oil curl milk. It says it's for thick curly hair. Hydrate, smooth, and defrizz. And then I'm also going to be, after I put the curl milk in, I'm also going to go over it with the Curl Quench coconut oil curl smoothie for thick curly hair. The directions say section hair and apply product sparingly to damp or dry hair. Do not rinse out. Style hair as desired. For best results, use as a styling cream for twist outs, braids, and wash and go styles. So my hair is pretty much like, the outside is pretty dry and the inside is still a little damp, but I'm still going to spray my hair with water. And my hair still smells really good from the shampoo and the conditioner and the hair mask I used last night. It still smells really nice. So I like when the product leaves my hair smelling nice. I'm just going to spray my hair with a little bit of water. So we're going to go in with the curl milk first. So the curl milk went on really smooth. So I'm gonna go in with the curl smoothie and put that on top of the curl milk. Okay, so I put both of the products in. My hair feels nice. It doesn't feel dry or anything, and it feels really smooth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do like small flat twister thingies. I like to do like these little flat twists or flat twists in general instead of 2-strand twists, because when I unravel it, it doesn't have like a lot of frizz. So I don't have to separate either. So just like to do these. I'm very surprised all of these products are holding up well on my hair and everything. So she good. She's showing out today. Alright guys, so I just finished putting in the curl milk and the curl smoothie. So my hair feels nice, it feels moisturized. I'm gonna take the twist out. Hopefully my hair will be dry by tomorrow. Pray. My twist with the product all in it. So I'll be back tomorrow to take the twist down.
3 days later.
Alright guys, so 2 to 3 days later, my hair's finally dry. I decided to do like bantu knot the twist just to stretch them a little bit because they were like looking weird and stuff, so I just bantu knotted them. But after I undo the bantu knot, I'm going to go ahead and unravel my hair. You know the drill. I wanted to also mention that the products, I've seen them before in Walmart, so they might be in your local Walmart, or just get it off of Amazon, because I did get mine off of Amazon. but those are some locations that I know I've seen them before. Alright, so this is my hair after I take all the twists down. I had lots of definition. It was still soft. It was still moisturized after sitting in twists for a couple of days. But after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and pick it out a little bit. I was trying to get me some length and stuff, but I was like, whatever. If my hair want to be shrunken, I'm going to let it be. So I just picked it out as much as I can and I shaped it. And this is the final look. Guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think the products were pretty good. I really like the agave conditioner though. Like, that really surprised me. Like, I think majority of the products worked really well on my hair, surprisingly. Like, everything worked perfectly fine on my hair, and my hair still smells good and it's still soft and stuff. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. And if you don't share, your friend just won't know about the video. So go ahead and share the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget you're beautiful. And I love you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next one.